HVAC psychrometrics is the study of the physical properties of air-water mixtures, which is essential for designing, analyzing, and operating heating, ventilating, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. It deals with the interactions between temperature, humidity, pressure, and enthalpy in moist air. These properties are interrelated and can be used to understand the behavior of air and the effects of HVAC processes on it. Key concepts in HVAC psychrometrics include dry bulb temperature, DBT, the temperature of air measured with a regular thermometer. It indicates the average kinetic energy of air molecules. Wet bulb temperature, WBT, the temperature to which air can be cooled by free evaporation of water into it. It measures the ability of air to absorb moisture. Humidity ratio, HR, the mass of water vapor per unit mass of dry air. It represents the concentration of water vapor in the air. Relative humidity, RH, the percentage of the maximum amount of water vapor that air can hold at a given temperature. It indicates how close the air is to saturation. Enthalpy, H, the total energy content of air, considering both sensible heat, heat associated with temperature, and latent heat, heat associated with phase change. Specific volume, V, the volume occupied by 1 kilogram of dry air. It represents the density of air. Psychrometrics is used to design HVAC systems. Psychrometrics helps determine the necessary capacity of HVAC equipment to achieve desired temperature and humidity conditions in a building. Analyze HVAC performance. Psychrometrics allows for evaluating the performance of HVAC systems, identifying potential inefficiencies, and optimizing their operation. Troubleshoot HVAC problems. Psychrometrics provides a framework for understanding and diagnosing issues related to temperature, humidity, and airflow in HVAC systems. Educate HVAC professionals. Psychrometrics is a fundamental component of HVAC training, enabling technicians to understand and apply the principles of HVAC systems effectively. Research HVAC technologies. Psychrometrics plays a crucial role in the development of innovative HVAC technologies and improving energy efficiency. In summary, HVAC psychrometrics is a comprehensive and essential tool for HVAC engineers, technicians, and building professionals to design, operate, and maintain efficient and comfortable HVAC systems. Check the description for much more. Thanks for listening. If you like, please like and share.